Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our amazing assignment is Chapter 7 Fractions Worksheet. You can refer textbook page number 43. Coming to first one, find the missing numerator and the denominator of the equivalent fractions. So what are they given here? 1 by 3. So here 2 is there. So how many times it will be increased? 2 times. So we have to multiply denominator also 2 times. 3 2s are 6. Now here the denominator is 9. How many times of 3 is 9? 3 times of 3 is 9. So then we have to multiply 1 into 3. What did you get? 1 into 3. Next one. Here 4 is there. So 1 is increased 4 times. That means we have to multiply the denominator also 4 times. 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. Okay. Now coming to next one. 5 times, multiplying with 5 times, 1 into 5, 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. Like 6 times, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Next 1, 7, 1 into 7, 7 1s are 7 and 7 3s are 21. So got it? How to write the equivalent fractions of given fraction? We have to multiply with the same number with numerator and denominator. Next one, 24 by 30. So it is reduced by 12. So how many times are reduced? 2 times. 24 divided by 2 will get the 12. Like 30 divided by 2 will get 15. Will get 15. Okay. Like here 30 is decreased by how many times? Here got 5. How many times if you divide 30, we get the 5 as a quotient? It is nothing but 6 times. Means 24 is divided by 6 and 30 divided by 6. So here already we have the fraction 30 divided by 6 is 5. Now 24 is divided by 6 is how many times children? 4 times. We'll get 4. What is the missing number here? 4. Here 15. Next one. Write the improper fraction representing each of the following shaded figures and then convert them into mixed fraction. So first, what is the given one? Figures. So how many parts are divided here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total number of shaded parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total fractions total number of shaded parts are 9. So dividing parts are 4. So the improper fraction of given figure is 9 by 4. So we have to write the mixed fraction. So with direct pictorial we can write the mixed fraction also. Total whole parts are shaded is 2 and here 1 by 4. And also you can divide 9 by 4. How many times? 2 times 8. Subtract 1. So it will be whole number. It is numerator and it is denominator. So 2 1 by 4. What did you get? 2 1 by 4. See. By observing the given shaded fraction also we can write the mixed fraction. Next one children. Here 1 2 3 4 5. Here 1 2 3 4 5. So total shaded part is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 by, so number of total parts 1 2 3 4 5. 7 parts are shaded. 7 parts are shaded. From that complete one whole part is shaded and here 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Just by observing means by shaded parts we are writing the improper fraction as well as mixed fraction. So by dividing, what did you get? Here 1 time. So 7 minus 5 is 2. It will be whole number, numerator and denominator. See 1 2 by 5. We get the mixed fraction 1 2 by 5. Got it? Next one. Write a fraction for each shaded part of each color and then add. So first write the fraction of shaded part. Here 1 by, how many total parts are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 parts. Total parts are 5 parts. 1 blue color and 2 yellow color parts are there. So total shaded parts are 1 plus 2 is 3 by 5 because common denominator, we have the same denominator 3 by 5. Next here 1 by 2 part is yellow, 1 by 2 part is blue. So 1 plus 1 is 2 by 2, complete part is shaded with nothing but 1 also children. Next one, arrange the fractions in ascending and descending order. So what are the given fractions here? 5 by 6, 1 by 8, 3 by 4, 7 by 12. So different denominators are there. So we have to convert common denominator for arranging the ascending and descending order. So for that I am taking the common multiple, least common multiple of the fraction. So take multiples of 6. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, so on. Like multiples of 8 equal to 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and so on. Like multiples of 4 equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, so on. Multiples of 12 equal to 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and so on. So what is the first common multiple of the given numbers? See here 24, 24, 24, 24. That is nothing but least common multiple of 6, 8, 4 and 12. So we have to convert all denominators as 24. Means which number we have to multiply with numerator and denominator will get the 24, we have to identify. How many 6 are there in 24 children? That is nothing but 4 times. So 5 into 4 by 6 into 4. Then how many 8s are there in 24 children? 3 times. That means 1 into 3 by, with same number we have to multiply numerator and denominator, 8 into 3. Like how many 4s are there in 24? 6 times. So 3 into 6, 4 into 6. How many 12s are there in 24? 2 12s, 7 into 2 by 12 into 2. Now 5 4s are 20 by 24. 3 1s 3 by 24. 3 6 are 18 by 24. 7 2s are 14 by 24. Now we have the like fractions. Now we get the like fractions. Now we can arrange them easily, ascending order and descending order. What is the ascending order, children? Ascending order is nothing but we are arranging small to big one. Means smallest number to smallest fraction to greatest fraction. Which is the smallest fraction? That is 3 by 24 less than 14 by 24 less than 18 by 24 less than 20 by 24. 20 by 24. What is the actual fractions of this given one? 3 by 24 is nothing but 1 by 8 is less than. Next one, 14 by 24 is nothing but 7 by 12. Next one, 18 by 24 is nothing but 3 by 4. Next one, 5 by 6. Like descending order, just we are writing greatest fraction to smallest fraction. Same, we are writing 20 by 24 greater than 18 by 24 is greater than 14 by 24 is greater than 3 by 24. What are the actual given fractions? 5 by 6 is greater than 3 by 4 is greater than 7 by 12 is greater than 1 by 8. Got it, children? How to convert same denominator, then we have to arrange ascending order and descending order. Next one, Raj spent 2 by 7 of his pocket money on a shirt. He also spent 4 by 7 of it on a pair of jeans. What fraction of his money did he spend more on buying a pair of jeans than the shirt? So, fraction of amount spent on shirt is, what is that one? So, 2 by 7 on shirt and 4 by 7 on pair of jeans. Okay. So, fraction of amount spent on a shirt is 2 by 7. 2 by 7, like fraction of amount spent on a pair of jeans. Is 4 by 7. 4 by 7. What we have to find, children, here? What fraction of his money did he spend more on buying the pair of jeans than shirt? How much more he spent on jeans we have to identify. For that, what we have to do? We have to subtract 4 by 7 minus 2 by 7. We'll get how much more amount is spent on pair of jeans. So, that is 4 by 7 minus 2 by 7 equal to 4 minus 2 by 7. 4 by 2 is 2 by 4 minus 2 is 2 by 7. So, how much more amount is spent? More amount spent on a pair of jeans. A pair of jeans is 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Got it, children? Next one. Subhu jogged 3 by 4 of a playground and her friend Kanchan jogged 4 by 6 of the ground. Who jogged more by how much? So, here, what is the given one? Subhu jogged 3 by 4 of a playground and her friend Kanchan jogged 4 by 6 of playground. So, who jogged more by how much we have to find? So, what is the solution, children, here? So Subhi jogged 3 by 4th part of playground, like Kanchan jogged 4 by 6 part. So, we have to compare the given fractions. First, we have to compare the given fractions for the different denominators are there. So, take the common denominator. How to convert the common denominator, children? We have to convert same denominator, means we have to take the least common multiple of 4 and 6. So, multiples of 4 equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, so on. Like multiples of 6 equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, so on. Okay. So, which is the common multiple here? 12. Least common multiple is 12. Means we have to convert 4 as 12 and 6 as 12. So, how many times we have to multiply 4 as the 12? Will come the 12. Means how many 4s are there in 12, children? 3 times. So, multiply 3 into 3 by 4 into 3, like how many 6 are there in 12? 2 times. 4 into 2 and 6 into 2. Okay. So, 3 3s are 9 by 12. 4 2s are 8 by 12. So, which is greater, children, here? 9 by 12 is greater than 8 by 12. That means 3 by 4 is greater than 4 by 6. 4 by 6. Okay. How much? By how much she jogged more means just you have to take the 9 by 12 is the common denominator. 9 minus 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1 by 12. So 1 by 12th fraction is she jogged more. She jogged more is should be jogged more is 1 by 12th fraction. So here should be jogged more. She jogged more. How much part, children? 1 by 12th part jogged more. 1 by 12th part jogged more. Got it, children? Once again practice all steps. Thank you.